Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Bramley for my weekly update. I have wanted to get down more this week, but I just haven't had time. So I thought I'd have it pointed at the sunset. It's just drifted a little bit. It was pointing at the sunset. Yeah, so I've been pointing at that sunset. The sunset's glorious, and then clouds look amazing over there. You can see them there. I just took a picture of them before I started. Clouds make a photograph. I've always said that, they really do. The ideal weather for a photographer is cloudy, rainy weather. Believe it or not, look at the clouds, they're brilliant. Nice. Sorry to be a bore, but yeah, I'm back at Bramley, so gonna have a fly round, have a little chat, and see what's what, see what's going on. That far stand, you know what, I don't think it is. It just looks though it's coming around a bit more over there. I think it's because this east stand, there's these stands in it. Yeah, this east stand on the near side where I'm standing, so here, I think it's come up a bit more, and it makes it look though the wall at the back has come up a bit more, the stand at the back, sorry. So yeah, we'll have a fly around, have a look, and I'll have a little chat about my challenge, because it's coming to an end. So let's get flying around. I seem to have neglected this stand over the weeks, apart from the truss going up. So yeah, so those that don't know, I started the challenge on the 1st of November that I was going to do a video every day throughout November, and I've kept up to it so far. It's all I need of grassroots football, so everything I earn from YouTube will go into a little account, a little bank account, and come the new season, I'll find a grassroots football team that's struggling to pay some bills, and I'll help them out with it. Okay, it's not going to be a world record breaking amount of money that someone's donated, but you know, it's something, it helps. £20 is help a grassroots football team, you know what I mean? That'll pay for one kid's kit. So if I can earn more than that, which I am basically, then yeah, it's all well and good. Right, that's definitely more brickwork in it gone in. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's have a little zoom in there, we'll have a little look at it. But yeah, it's all definitely more on the corner there. So I'm going to get up to height now. I think it already was. Right, yeah, I was. Yeah, so yeah, that's my challenge. I've got 3 days left now, which is coming to an end. You know what, it's been hard work doing this. Just trying to find time to get out and do the videos, and you know, just trying to come up with different ideas for videos as well. So, one thing I wasn't going to do is bore everyone with football grounds for 30 days. So I'll try doing new stuff. Some stuff works, some stuff doesn't. You know, it just depends what people like. But yes, but no, I've had 107,000 views over the last 28 days. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Be nice if every single one of them subscribed. But yeah, no, I'm only joking. Yeah, it has been a little bit tough getting out and trying to find the time to do it. getting round to the south stand now. Oh, it's a little bit windy, but I will bring it down. I'm trying to do my sweep along the stands. Oh, that's good. What's below me, have a check. So yeah, as everyone knows, I like to keep my videos raw. I could easily cut this bit out and just, you know, without having to show everyone what I'm doing, but I just like to keep everything in my videos that I'm doing, you know. It's something that people find interesting, believe it or not. Along. So that's truss. I'll come back over and have a little close-up look at that truss in a minute. I just want to get my slow sweep of the low sweep of the stand on. Right, staying over the dock. That one's in me there. Get down a touch more. There we go. See if we can spot anything going on in here. But yeah, you know what? It's been fun doing these videos as well, though. To be honest, I just wish I had more time to do it. But when you do see the fans, though, you'll see what a graft YouTubers have to put into it to get the views. Well, even the type of views that they'd need to make a living out of it. Because I know some of the lads who are doing this is their main job, so it's hard. Shame about it is, it's viewer based, so you don't get the views, you don't get the money. I'd like to take it up as a full-time job, but at the moment it's not viable. So this is why, you know, for a while now I haven't asked for people to subscribe because I was getting comments. One fella stopped unsubscribe because I kept asking for subscribers. But the reason why we ask for subscribers is when these builds are done, you know, the views are going to drop drastically for all of us. So let's get a little bit higher. Yeah, the cranes are facing outwards, so it's alright. Oh, let's get above them anyway. Yeah, so the views are going to drop, so the more subscribers we can get in between now and when the builds are finished, both Anfield and Bramley Moor, that is. Because don't forget, Anfield's going to be done soon. I've got other ideas, keep it football related, but as I say, there's loads I want to do. I want to do all kinds. And that includes like history stuff, ghost stuff, you know, hauntings. You know, Liverpool's got a really rich history of hauntings, so yeah. It's something I'd like to get into video wise, and that wouldn't be using the drone, it'd just be, you know, making videos on a subject. So I'm staying outside Everton's land because I want to bring it down a bit. Have a good look at this east stand. Yeah, so that's the reason why we asked for subscribers. That's all. But mine's just going to be a visual from now on, and I'm probably not going to ask that much. So if you see a visual, please subscribe. Yeah. But yeah, I'm not doing any comments today either. So I'll keep that for the next one. As I might come midweek, because I'm not sure what 8:30 is going to be yet. I don't know. It'll be one of the grounds, and I'm just not sure which one. But again, if you want to support the grassroots football challenge that I'm doing, you know, just watch day 30 for me. Right, so that's a complete 360 of the ground zone. Right, I've rambled on a bit here, so it's amazing when you start talking, you forget when to stop. So let's have a look at this truss, and we'll have a look at the other truss. Oh, hold on. I can't believe I didn't see that the first time round. What's going on top there? Does anyone know what that is? Yeah, let me know if you know what that is, please. First section of panelling maybe going on. That's interesting. I'm just gonna shoot over fast to the next one. There are the south stand truss. Yeah, then there's a lift going on as well. I'll try my best to get down here for it. Just it really is hard finding time at the moment. Well, there we are on this truss. I don't know, it just doesn't seem as easy to look at as the other one, if that makes sense. Yeah, there we are. South stand truss, north stand truss, and that little bit of a panelling that's on top of it. I really need to start watching Everton's videos, don't I, to find out what is going on. And as I myself confessed, you know nothing about construction, so it could be anything to me, that. Yeah, there's quite a bit on that east stand as well. Looks like the starting the next layer, if you like. There's walls coming up, and it's going to be hard. It's not fair for the fans when they come. Well, I say it's not fair for the fans. It can't be helped. But when the fans come down to try and have a look at the grounds, this east stand, once that's up, it's going to be hard to see what's going on from the gate. So if you haven't got a drone, yeah, it's going to be hard for you. Right, so I'm losing light now, guys. So I'm going to call it here. So I've had a busy morning today, so I thought I'll leave it till sunset, and then come down. Sorry for a little bit of wind there. I was walking into the wind. Yeah, I thought I'd come down at sunset because it's a lot nicer at sunset. Yeah, so the city's looking good. Get back to the grounds. There we are. Right, so thanks for watching. 3 more days of my challenge left, which 4 more videos, including this one. So 3 more after this. Yeah, thanks for your support. Thanks for your help. And Grassroots Football, really want to thank everyone for watching the videos, because it hasn't cost you anything. It's just costing you. It's not costing me anything. It's just costing YouTube. Okay, the only thing it's costing me is my time. But thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Bye now.